What can you no longer stand hearing when it comes to startups?
That's a pretty good question. I think the most important when you found a startup is that you find a topic where you are passionate about. I see many startups where I have a little bit the impression they do it for getting a big exit or earning a lot of money with it. But I think the really successful startups are they where the founders are passionate about the topic.
Was your first product a success?
Yes, our first product was the flight control system for the 15-meter super yacht boat, and it's still out there flying on the daily use, which makes the product pretty successful, yes. My name is Titian. I'm CEO and founder of Oceanflight Technologies. We are in the marine industry. We are developing flight control systems for hydrofoil boats. Hydrofoil boats are boats with wings below the water, and at a certain speed the wings generate enough lift to lift out the boat of the water, and this reduces the energy consumption of the boat dramatically. We are a pretty small team of 6 people. We are bootstrapping the company since 3 years now, and our biggest achievement was a 14-meter, 10-ton super yacht, fully electric on hydrofoils in collaboration with BMW and Tide. It was a pretty big marketing project, which is pretty well known in the complete marine industry today. We started early at the UnternehmerTUM and XPRENEURS program, which gave us a pretty good access to the startup ecosystem. We are doing a lot of prototyping in the makerspace, and now we moved to the gate, where we have a pretty nice office space where our boat can be inside the office space so that we can easily work on it on a daily basis. So I started to study automotive engineering and did my practical year at BMW and Bertrand. And this was the time when I recognized that I definitely don't want to work in a big company. The year after, I started in a small drone company doing an internship there, and it was the completely opposite. So there I was able to do everything from scratch to the prototype to testing, and this is what I love on my work. And after the startup closed and did a successful exit, I joined with my current founders, and it was more by luck, not by the planned idea to found my own company. So my passion is water sports, kite surfing and boating, and this is also the reason why I really love what I'm doing. Next to my role as a CEO, I'm a mechanical engineer, so I'm coming from the technical side, and I love to do all the things from thinking about concepts, solving the problems, going out for testing, machining the parts, building up everything. So this complete setup from A to Z is what I love on my job. For our company, it's quite challenging because the marine industry is quite slow. Sometimes it reminds me a little bit onto the automotive industry 15 years ago when nobody was believing in electric mobility. And we see the same in the marine industry now. So the market is very slowly, the big players are just waiting and looking and not really there for action, which makes it pretty hard as a startup because we're not able to sell the products at the moment. But we are getting there slowly. We're finding step-by-step solutions to enter the market and to push it in the right direction. We're currently building a 5.5-meter full electric hydrofoil boat as a pre-series of 5 and bring it to the market early next year with the vision to bring as much people onto hydrofoil boats and share the experience of flying above the water.